How to add Passkey on Binance app. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will see how we can add Passkey on Binance app. So without further delay, let's get started with our video. First of all, you have to open the Binance application on your phone and log in using your credentials. After you're logged in, tap on the Binance icon from the top left corner. Here, tap on your profile name. Once you're on the account center, there tap on security. Here, at the first option, there is Passkey, so tap on it. The Passkey feature on Binance allows you to use biometric authentication or a passkey for easy access. Here, tap on Add Passkey. Then tap on Passkey. Now, for your email verification, you will receive a 6-digit verification code in your email account or your Gmail account. So you have to type in the correct verification code right here. So go back to your Gmail account and check your verification code in your inbox from the Binance. Once verified, you will see your passkey in your interface. If you want to use it as your passkey, tap on continue, or you can use a different device as well. So tap on continue. Now you have to provide your device, your verification, either your biometrics or your PIN. Once done, now Passkey has been successfully added in your Binance account. So that's how you can add Passkey on Binance app. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.